Chia seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, have gained popularity as a superfood due to their nutritional profile. Consuming chia seeds consistently over a 30-day period can lead to several positive health outcomes. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients. A single ounce, about 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds provides a substantial amount of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. This nutrient density makes chia seeds an excellent addition to a balanced diet. 2. Weight management and satiety. One of the notable benefits of chia seeds is their role in weight management. When exposed to liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like substance due to their high soluble fiber content. This gel expands in the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness. This satiating effect can help control appetite, potentially reducing overall calorie intake and supporting weight management goals. 3. Digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements. Adequate fiber intake is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds also acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 4. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds, primarily alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, contribute to heart health. These fatty acids have been linked to a reduction in cholesterol levels and inflammation, lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Including chia seeds in your diet may be a heart-healthy choice. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds may play a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood glucose. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. 6. Hydration and electrolyte balance. Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb water, forming a gel-like substance. This property aids in maintaining hydration and electrolyte balance, which is crucial for overall health, especially during physical activities or in hot weather. 7. Bone health. Chia seeds contain essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, contributing to overall bone health. Adequate intake of these minerals is vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones, preventing conditions like osteoporosis. 8. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. 9. Energy boost. The balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in chia seeds provides a sustained release of energy. Including chia seeds in your diet can be especially beneficial as part of a pre-workout or breakfast meal to fuel your body for the day ahead. 10. Skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds may contribute to healthy skin. These nutrients have anti-inflammatory properties and promote cell regeneration, potentially improving the overall appearance and health of the skin. 11. Joint health. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids may benefit individuals with joint pain or arthritis. While not a substitute for medical treatment, including chia seeds in an anti-inflammatory diet may contribute to joint health. 12. Versatility in cooking. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into various dishes. From adding them to smoothies, yogurt, and puddings to using them in salads or as an egg substitute in baking, chia seeds offer a convenient way to boost the nutritional content of your meals. In conclusion, consuming chia seeds for 30 days can offer a wide array of health benefits, ranging from weight management and heart health to improved digestion and skin health. However, it's essential to remember that individual responses to dietary changes can vary. For personalized advice on integrating chia seeds into your diet, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is recommended.